Hair not growing? This rosemary oil might be the missing piece. Today, I'm showing you how to easily make this rosemary oil for hair growth at home. Base oils, I'll be using coconut oil. This is our main base oil. We also will be using avocado oil and black castor oil. Our main ingredient is rosemary powder, but I'll also add a bit of moringa for hair thickness. So we start by measuring. I have this measuring cup. We measure two full cups of the coconut oil. Then we measure our avocado oil. This one we just measure 2 spoonfuls, that is 20 ml. And then we will now also be adding our black castor oil. This one is very thick, so we don't need much, just 1 spoon is enough, that is 10 ml. So for this recipe, I'm basically using a blend of oils because layering oils gives much better results. Then now we'll just mix everything together. At this time, you can already see that this color is already turning into a nice green color already. I'm already loving this. And then we add our main ingredient, which is the rosemary. I added 1 spoonful because I realized the oil wasn't much, though later I added a bit more. Then also we'll just be adding a pinch of the moringa powder. This step is optional, but moringa really helps in thickening and strengthening your hair. Then now we mix everything together. Look at that. You are noticing the color will now be turning from that light green into a deep green. As you can see, look at that. If you're already loving this, how this oil is coming together, go ahead and like this video because it really supports my channel. Later on, I added a bit of the natural growth oil. Why I added this is because I like the smell. So it will make my oil, even if it is rosemary smell, make my oil smell quite cute. I like the smell. This step is optional though. Then I cover the mixture. So because I wanted this process to be faster, I used the warm water method. I poured the hot water into a bowl, then placed my glass jar with the rosemary oil inside the warm water. Make sure the water is warm, not boiling. Glass can break if it's too hot. All right. Then I leave it overnight. I opened the jar the next day, and this is how it looked like. I mix gently so that it can continue infusing. Then day two, full infusion. This is day two. Look at the color. The oil is very dark green now, almost green black. That's how you know the ingredients are fully infused. So if you've already made it this far, guys, please comment rosemary below and tell me if you would try this oil or if you've used rosemary before. Now it's time to strain. I'm using a clean cloth to sieve everything out, but you can already see the color, guys. It is deep green black. I don't know what color that is. So make sure you just clear everything out so that you can get all the oil. Before finishing, I added a little extra oil to rinse out what was left in the container, then poured it in. So here are some of the benefits of the rosemary oil, why it is so good. It helps in stimulating your hair growth. It also helps in the blood circulation on your scalp. It reduces hair shedding and falling. Before I go on, you can see these are the leaves that came out from that mixture, and then we are changing this into an applicator bottle so that we are able to apply with it. And then also it strengthens your hair roots and supports your overall scalp health. So that's why I personally prefer this homemade rosemary. And there you have it, guys. This is your rosemary oil. You can use it as you prefer. So let me just show you how I apply onto my hair. So I use this oil usually 2 to 3 times a week so that it can support my hair growth and thickness. And majorly I focus on the scalp and just make sure that I have massaged gently. So ensure that you've really made sure that the whole scalp is well applied, and then you've massaged it in. The massage is very, very important. I love this part, and that's why you can see I was just trying to massage all that in. It's goodness, it's goodness. It also helps ensure that your scalp feels relaxed, and so eventually this hair growth is all a journey. All right, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. If it helped you, please share it with someone on a hair growth journey. We are growing our hairs together, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. I have 2 videos I've linked here. Make sure that you're watching either of them. Kisses.